Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. The benefit of our channel is we are making sweet and short videos and with the maximum knowledge. Our today's topic is types of casting molds. Without wasting time, let us come on the topic. In the types of molds, the first type is expandable mold. Expandable mold, which typically are made from sand, plaster, or ceramic, or a similar materials, and generally are mixed with various binders. A typical sand mold consists of 90% sand, 7% clay, and 3% of water. As described in these materials are refractories, that is, they are capable to withstand high temperature of molten metals. After the casting is solidified, the mold is broken. Expandable molds are broken after the solidification of the casting. To remove the casting, the mold is produced from a pattern in some process such as sand and shell casting. The mold is expandable but the pattern is reused. Means the pattern is made from metal, so the pattern can be reused, but the expandable molds are made from sand, plaster of Paris or ceramic, so can be broken up to remove the casting. The second type of, you can also see the details which are given here. The second type of mold is permanent mold. As the name given, permanent mold means the mold are generally made from the material which can be reused. Permanent mold which are made of metal that maintain its strength at high temperature. As the name implies is, they are used repeatedly and designed in such a way that the casting can be removed easily and the mold used for the next casting. Metal molds are better heat conductors than expandable non-metallic mold, hence the solidifying casting is subjected to higher rate of cooling. This is the major advantage of a metal mold as compared to the expandable non-metallic mold, which in turn affect the microstructure grain size of the casting. The third type of mold is composite mold. Let's see composite mold. As the name suggests, it is a composite mold, means mixture of more than two different materials which are made of two or more different materials such as sand, graphite and metal, combining the advantage of each material. To take the advantage of both metal plus non-metal, we are taking the composite mold which are made from both metal and non-metal, combining the advantage of each material. This mold have a permanent and expandable portion and are used in various casting process to improve the mold strength, control the cooling rate and optimize the overall economics of the casting process. So these are the three types of mold which are being effectively used in the casting industries, and as each and every maximum parts are made from casting, so these three types of mold are majorly used in the industries. So as in the university examination, if the question comes list and explain types of casting molds, so you can easily write from this and get the full marks. Thank you very much.